So I like to tell the time in the traditional way, using the traditional clock on the wall or the old time ways. Now, while you were doing your exercise, I created the minute hand. Sometimes people call it the big hand. And I also created the little hand. Oh, here it is, the little hand. This is the hour hand. Now, the clock, it works like this. The big numbers are the hours, and these little red dots are the minutes, and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. When the big hand is at the top, we call it o'clock. And then as it is going round this way, it is going past, down to here, down half past. And when it comes up this way, it's 2. So this way is past, and this way is 2. Now, the way the hands move, say I demonstrate at 3 o'clock, for example. This is the hour hand. The hour hand moves very slowly, and the minute hand moves faster. So it goes sort of like this. It goes like this, and this one moves a tiny bit, and a tiny bit, and a tiny bit like this. It's slowly, slowly. And when this gets down to here, this hand has moved a little bit past the 3 to about here. And then, as we move, this hand moves a little bit. This moves a lot, a little bit. And finally, when it gets here, this has moved from here to here. This has gone all the way around. Now, there are 4 main parts of the clock. O'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to. These are the main ones. And I sometimes think about it, if I'm giving a cake, maybe I just want to give a piece of cake to a friend, I give a quarter of the cake. And that's the quarter past. If I want to give half of the cake, half past. If I want to give another quarter, quarter to, etc. These are the main parts. And then we use the minutes. We always use the minutes first. So apart from, say, 3 o'clock, we always, when it is o'clock, we start with the hour. But apart from that, we always start with the minutes. 5 past 3, 10 past 3, quarter past 3, 20 past 3, 25 past 3, half past 3, 25 to 4. It's coming up to 4. 20 to 4. Quarter to 4. 10 to 4. 5 to 4. And finally, we're here and we're at 4 o'clock. This is the way the standard time moves. Of course, you could go one step further. What if it was like here, past 2 o'clock? You might say, you want to be precise and exact. You could say, it's 2 past 2, But we don't need to. You could just say, it's 2 o'clock, 5 past 2. We could just round it. It's okay. Other things that come up are the strange digital clocks that we need to look at this and go, okay, this is strange. There's no 13 here. And this 15 is quarter past. 15, quarter past, 13, 1, quarter past 1. We need to be able to look at this and think about this, as you did really well. 1:15 in the afternoon. In the afternoon, notice that. So sometimes you might see things like this, AM or PM. AM is in the morning, PM is in the afternoon or in the evening. And notice the use of the prepositions. In the morning. So maybe we would use the question, and remember we're still looking at the verb to be, so we would look at the question, what time is it? And we would say it is. So maybe we would say, hey, what time is it? And we would say, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, or it's 3:10 in the afternoon, or it's 9:45 in the evening, or it's 9:45 at night. So we've also been learning the prepositions in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night.
At night.
And next week we will start to look at other prepositions like at the weekend and things like that as we move on to our new topic. So this is how we tell the time. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. What time is it now? I don't know. You're using my phone, so I don't know. Maybe it is 1:30. I don't know.